Hey, who likes coffee? Do you like a cup of coffee to start your day? Maybe to get you going on a new project or on a little break from carving? Well, I got something in the mail to try out from Javy Coffee. So let's see what they sent and drink some Javy coffee. All right, stay tuned. All right, so Javy Coffee reached out to me and they sent me out this package. So I had opened it up. I have not tried it yet. So let's see what they have sent me. We got a little pouch here. It says Javy on it. So let's see what's inside here. Alrighty. Like a little scrubber. And looks like some straws. Alright, 2 straws. Sounds pretty cool. And then we have a bottle of the Javy Microdose coffee concentrate. So this is 100% Arabica artisan roasted coffee. Has 30 servings, depending on how much you add in. Packs a punch. Let's see. Get started. Simply take 1 to 2 teaspoons of your microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. So we should start with 1 teaspoon per 6 fluid ounces of liquid. Adjust the serving size to your liking. Do not drink from the bottle or consume the whole bottle in 1 serving. Keep refrigerated after opening. Use within 6 weeks of opening. So 1 teaspoon of this microdose coffee has 60 milligrams of caffeine. That's quite a bit. So yes. And this is just a regular coffee concentrate. I believe they have other flavors. You can check out their website at javycoffee.com. So let's give this a try. I'm gonna do a little taste test first. Then we'll make some coffee. I'll probably do an iced coffee the way I usually like it with some creamer. And then maybe a hot coffee and see how that works. Alright. Alright, so I just want to do a little taste tab. Maybe a little dab on my finger. See how this goes. All right. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead wash these straws. I'm gonna bring out a cup and make an iced coffee. All right. All right. So I'm set up here. So I got some ice. Got some French vanilla creamer. Got the teaspoon. All right. So I'm gonna pour some ice in the cup. All right, I'm gonna try 1 teaspoon first. Alrighty, check that out. And then put some creamer. I'll stir it with the straw. Let's give it a try. Ah, very tasty. It's very good. Maybe like a half more. Give it a little bit more strength to it. That should be good. There are so many recipes. You can check out javycoffee.com for other recipes, or you can create your own. You can cook with it, put it in your desserts, make ice cream. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Wow, this is pretty good. So cheers. I like it very much. So you can easy, quick. If you're in a rush, you don't feel like setting up your coffee maker or using up a K-cup. You know, 1 or 2 teaspoons some ice, or if you want to heat up some milk or water in the microwave real quick for some hot coffee, this is the way to go. This is no acting, this is no joke. I mean, they just sent it to me. I was like, sure, I'll try it, and well, why not? And I'm very surprised. I don't know, it's awesome. It's very good. So I'm gonna try and make a hot coffee, and yeah. So we'll be right back. Alright, so I quickly made a hot coffee using unsweetened oat milk, a teaspoon of Javy, and a squirt of the stevia sweet drops, and it's delicious. So there's endless ways to use the Javy coffee and quick easy steps to make a quick cup for you, so you can experiment any way you like. Just remember, it packs a lot of caffeine, so 1 to 2 teaspoons is plenty. And if you're interested in drinking Javy, I'll have a link in the description. You can check it out and see the recipes they also have on the website. You also can save a little by using the code CleveBW at checkout. Check out their YouTube channel as well. So that'll be it for the video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And like always, I'll catch you later.